Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open Capital One bank account online. So let's get started. So now here we are in the website of Capital One, which is capitalone.com. So from here, what you want to do is that if you would want to open a bank account, you want to navigate here in the checking and savings right here at the top. So from here, you can see different kinds of bank accounts right here. So you have 360, 360 CDs, kids savings account, 360 checking, money teen checking, and so on. And this one is a 360 performance savings, by the way. And then you can also go here to view all savings account. If you would like all the options, you can go for the all checkings account and view all kids and teens account depending on what you would need. And if you are interested in seeing the rates, you can click here on compare all accounts and rates. But in this tutorial, we'll just be going with the savings account. So we'll just be clicking here on view all savings account. So yeah, we'll be going with the savings account for this tutorial. But of course, you can just feel free to do so if you would want other accounts. And then from here, what are savings and growth accounts? Right here, you have no fees for this one, no monthly or maintenance fees. You keep what you earn and no minimum to open or keep your online savings account. So you can grow your savings with a high yield rate and save with a CD term, fits your financial goals, and so on right here. So in this case, we're just going to open a 360 performance savings for this video. So click here. And then from here, we will now be prompted here. So it would ask if you already have a Capital One login. So if you already have an account, click on yes. If not, then no. In my case, I'll just go for no. And then from here, we will now be prompted right here where we would need to click here on continue in order for us to proceed. Or if you have a promo code, you can also enter that right here. In my case, I'll just go with continue. And then it would now ask us our first name right here. So let's just go with this one right here. So for example, and the email address right here. So let's just provide that. So basically, all of this are just personal information. There's nothing really hard about this. And then it would ask the phone number right here. So just like I said, all personal information here and personal info. And then after that is identity. You would need to provide some identification documents in order for you to prove that you are who you are on the personal info that you have provided. And then after that, you would need to accept and understand the terms and conditions. And then you would need to fund your account if there is a minimum requirement for opening that certain account and some other things that you should fund. So yeah, it would depend on the kind of account that you are opening. So it would vary. So yeah, that is basically it. This process right here are all just personal information. You don't need any special guidance for this because it would just be your personal information. You have all the answers uniquely to yourself, and it would also depend on the kind of account that you are opening, on what requirements or information that Capital One would ask of you. So yeah, you can just provide it right here, and after that, it would now be processed for review. And once your application has been accepted, you will now receive a notification about that. And you would have some further instructions on how you can open or use your account here in Capital One, or maybe receive your card for your bank. And yeah, that is basically it for this video on how you can open a bank account online in Capital One. Thank you for watching.